Auntie here, and today we are reading this book. This book is called Nana's Garden, and it was illustrated and written by Elizabeth O. Dulemba. I actually got this book from one of those little free libraries. Have you ever seen those around? Sometimes they're at parks or playgrounds. They're really cool. You get to go and get books for free, and you can also drop off books that maybe you're not using anymore. But this is a great book. Let's go ahead and begin. Pretty flowers, Nana said, and planted them in the ground. Baby Maya smiled. Can I see your smile? Oh, you've got a good smile. I love it. Yucky weeds, Nana said, and pulled them out of the ground. Baby Maya's face scrunched up. Why did Nana put some plants in the ground and take others out? Nana held up a weed and said, Boo, weeds. Weeds are like junk food. They may fill up a garden, but they don't give much back. At the mention of food, Maya's tummy rumbled. Time for lunch, Nana said. Nana skipped over the fruit juices and junk food. She served only fresh fruits and vegetables for Maya's lunch. Maya munched on mashed peas and blueberries. She waved her hands at the junk food and gurgled, Boo! You're right, Maya, Nana said. Junk food is just like weeds. The end. Oh, that was a great book. Now, if you turn this one over, if you find this one at a library, they also have the translated story in Spanish that you can also check out as well. Thank you so much for coming to Story Time with me today, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.